In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily view my notification likes for WordPress. If you're a blogger, content creator, or just someone who enjoys sharing your thoughts on WordPress, staying updated on how your audience engages with your content is crucial. Notifications, especially likes, provide valuable feedback showing which posts resonate with your readers. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to log in, access your notifications, and filter to see who has liked your content. It's a simple process and I'll guide you through every step. Now, if you don't already have a WordPress account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. All right, let's dive in. First, open your web browser. This can be any browser you prefer, like Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Once your browser is open, navigate to the address bar at the top of the screen and type in the WordPress website address, www.wordpress.com. After typing the address, press the Enter key on your keyboard to load the WordPress homepage. Once the homepage has loaded, look toward the top right corner of the screen here. You'll find the login option. It's usually labeled something like Login. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to a page where you can sign into your WordPress account. Now, on the login page, you'll see several options for signing in. To make this process as quick and secure as possible, I recommend selecting the Continue with Google option. This method not only simplifies the login process, but also enhances your account security by using your Google credentials. WordPress works seamlessly with Google, so it's a great choice. Click on Continue with Google to proceed. At this point, you'll be presented with a list of Google accounts that are currently signed in on your device. Choose the account that's linked to your WordPress profile. If you're unsure which one to select, it's usually the email address you used when setting up your WordPress account. Now, if you don't see the correct account listed, you can always log into the appropriate one manually. Once you've selected your account, WordPress will log you in and take you to your dashboard. After logging in successfully, shift your attention to the upper right corner of the WordPress interface. Here, you'll notice a small notification bell icon. Think of this like your central hub for updates about your blog, from likes and comments to other interactions. It's a quick way to stay informed about your content's engagement. Go ahead and click on the notification bell icon to open up the list of updates. Now that you're in the notification section, you'll see various tabs or filters that help organize your notifications. One of these will be labeled Likes. Click on the Likes tab to filter the notifications so that you're only viewing updates related to who has liked your content. This feature is super handy if you want to focus specifically on audience appreciation and track which posts are resonating the most. And there you have it. You've successfully logged into WordPress, accessed your notifications, and filtered them to see all the likes your posts have received. So now you know exactly how to view your notification likes on WordPress and stay connected with your audience's engagement. If you have any questions or tips about managing WordPress notifications, feel free to share them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.